The consistency of you listing new items every day is just as equivalent to you posting new video reviews every single day. It reminds me of Poshmark and eBay. The more active listings you have in your stores, the better. It's no secret that there are so many different ways that you can make money on Amazon. I have heard about them for countless years, especially as I've been in the reseller industry. So many people talk about selling things on FBA or doing some sort of drop shipping, but there were two sources that I found out the last part of 2023 that shook me to my core. And the reason being was a few different things that happened in my family at the time, at the beginning of 2023, really helped me start to put things in perspective of how do I truly want to build a business from home. I'm going to go into all of that in a different video, but I know you're here to learn about the Amazon product review videos, and so I want to respect your time and get right into it. The first thing I want to talk about is what is Amazon product review videos. That is when you go to a landing page, you're searching for one of these attachments that you put on a tripod to hold your phone or your camera. You would search that in on Amazon, click on a listing that you're interested in, and as you're in there, I don't know about you, but for me, I'm constantly looking at what are the reviews, what are the star ratings, what are the photos that people have, what are some of the concerns that people have, and if there's any videos that would help me with my decision. Your product review video would go on that listing page. This is great news for people who don't want to be an influencer, because an influencer has a storefront on Amazon who then has to find outside resources, whether it's through a blog, a website, Instagram, TikTok, that guides people to the storefront in order for people to buy the products, and then you receive a commission. With product review videos, people are already looking for the item that you are creating a review on. If they watch your video up to 30 seconds, and I will go into one of those tips in a minute, people can watch your video. If they right after purchase the item, you get a commission for that. I got approved for Amazon review videos, I want to say mid-December. My journey with product review videos started in January, even though I got approved in December. And now a few months in, I definitely have more details than when I first initially filmed this video. And so I've only had about a month where I've been very consistently posting videos on Amazon for product reviews. And here are a few tips that I have learned to help you along with your success. Make sure you're following to the end, because I have a very special, important message to share with you guys. Number one is make sure your videos are over 30 seconds. I went to several people's Amazon storefronts and I saw some people posting like 16-second videos, 20-second videos, and I thought I could do that too, which you can, but here's the caveat to that. If you have a video that's under 30 seconds and someone only watches 14 seconds of the video and then proceeds to check out, somehow you don't get paid for that. I recently had a student try a 9-second video and did get commissions off of that. So I'm curious if Amazon did change their commissions. I don't know why that makes sense, but that's how Amazon does it. Do not cut yourself short. Make sure you add that additional 15 to 20 seconds. Number two is use products that you have already at home. These could be items that you didn't even purchase on Amazon. But the thing that I want you to pay attention to is when you're searching for those items on Amazon, if they have like 10, 20 review videos already on that listing, probably best not to focus your attention on that one. Pay attention to the items that you have that either have 1 to 2 videos, or I would say a maximum of like 6 to 7 videos. Also, a little bonus tip within this is if you see 0 videos and you think, oh, this is perfect, like I could be the only video on there and I could make a ton of money, that just might mean that that specific retailer doesn't allow for videos to be on their listing. The third tip I want to give you is you actually can create multiple videos for one listing. Now, if you have only a specific amount of time and you could get 5 review videos out, would it make more sense to be on like 5 different products? I would personally say yes, but I did find somebody who actually has a YouTube channel and also has all of his products on their storefront. He creates a long form video for the product review, and then he also has a shorter form one. I was under the impression that most videos you could only go up to 2 minutes, but when I found this person, I realized you could do them much higher. So I would think about what is the customer that you're wanting to reach. Is this person going to be very specific, wants all questions answered? Maybe that's when you would do like a 5 to 10 minute video. Again, bear in mind, if you have only so much time, I would recommend doing 5 5 videos for 5 different products versus 1 to 2 products with 5 videos. Now, as I already mentioned, there are so many different ways to make money on Amazon. So is this one actually profitable? What I really like about this source of income on Amazon is I feel like it is buildable. It reminds me of Poshmark and eBay. The more active listings you have in your stores, the better. The consistency of you listing new items every day is just as equivalent to you posting new video reviews every single day. This is one of those sources that is going to build. I didn't start making hundreds of dollars on a daily basis on Poshmark and eBay my first day out the door, but I am now at a place where pretty much my whole shop is automated, other than me photographing new items and me packing orders. So I'm consistently making thousands of dollars monthly with barely having to put in the effort doing it. That is the power of Amazon product review videos. The benefit of Amazon product review videos, in my eyes, a work smarter, not harder philosophy. In this opportunity, all I have to do is find items around my house and create review videos about them. They could be items that I've had for 2 years. It could be items that I've had for only a month. The other nice thing about this is the more active you are doing this source of income, the more opportunities for a free product to be sent to your door. So at some point, you might even get to a place where you can do product review videos on items that you received for free. Now, I'm sure the question on everyone's mind right now is, how do I get started? Unfortunately, it is a 2-step process. I say unfortunately because I wish I could have just hit the ground running. Like, I was so pumped up when I first started to find out about this source of income, but it takes time. You have to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program, get approved for that, and then move on to the application process for product review videos. And unfortunately, they have a 3 strikes and you're out. You can submit review videos, and if you don't pass, 3 strikes, you're out. My first try, I got denied. And for someone who's been an influencer creating content for 10 plus years at this point, I freaked out. I was like, oh my gosh, like, what am I doing wrong? I tried to find every single source I possibly could to get answers. I spent so much time and money trying to figure out how to get approval for this because I was watching people making $300, $400, almost $500 a day with this source of income. I knew there was something here and I wanted a piece of that pie. Now, I love sharing the wealth. We do not like to gatekeep over here. That has been my whole channel so far, is I learn something and then I share it with you guys. So to make sure that you guys don't make the same mistakes that I did, I created a guide for you guys. The link is going to be down below, and this is going to give you the step-by-step guide on how to get approval for the Amazon Influencer Program, but also how to get approval for the Amazon product videos. I don't win unless you get approval. Now, a couple things about this guide. Number 1 is it has all the hyperlinks that you need for the applications. So you're gonna download this either to your computer or your tablet like this. You can click on the links. It will send you directly to where you need to go to apply. I also teach you how to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program with under 1,000 followers, because that is one of the requirements, but people are getting around that all the time now. The next thing I teach you is how to do your videos. And the more I learn about these product review videos, I'm going to continue to update this book. And when I do that, you will get the link to the new updates. Make sure you're following my YouTube channel because I will continue to do videos here. And I am going to continue to look for different sources of income to do from home, especially for you guys who have been here for years with me. I so appreciate you. I appreciate your patience because I know you've been waiting for me to get back on here for a while. Live sales kind of took it out of me. I did not have time to make videos, but being on TikTok and being on Instagram for the last 6 months and really learning how to make short form videos, I'm so ready to make my YouTube videos again. And I know I'm just gonna be able to bust them out like crazy because of all the work that I was able to do these last 6 months. So I'm excited to be back here more. If you have any questions on anything I shared today, make sure you comment down below and I will answer your questions as fast as I possibly can. And I will see you next week. Bye.